frying bread balls. It's like a donut. So this is second batch and this is first batch. So ito na 11 pieces. So bisikan natin ng sugar, grind sugar. Ayan. Baliktarin natin. Ayan. So, ayan. Hatiin natin. Ayan, very soft. Oh, ayan. Ayan. Change side natin. Ayan. Ito yung third batch at saka last na ito. And then ito na yung naluto. First and second batch. Ayan. So ito na lahat yung aking recipe ngayon na ginawa. Na may onions, slices of onions, carrots, may coriander leaves, may spring onions, all-purpose flour, cornstarch, evaporated milk, at saka water, salt. Ayan, may partner na ketchup. So, ayan, tikman nga natin kung crispy. Ayan. Sarap. Tamtaman lang yung yung salt niya. Sarap. Sasaw natin sa ketchup. Cooking chicken curry for our dinner and then tomorrow lunch, inshallah. So, dito ako nagluluto sa kahoy, sa pugon, kasi winter ngayon, malamig. Yan. Paluto na itong aming ulam for dinner. Now, we can put toppings, this coriander leaves or parsley para masarap at mabango. Fresh from the field, itong coriander leaves. Ayan. My recipe for today is Afghan gosh. No need to boil this one, just we put all together. This meat, tomato, onions, garlics, some green chilies, and then tomatoes, and then we put oil, this turmeric powder, chili powder, salt after we will put this one after cook. But this meat someone cut our neighbor, so that's why we buy 2 kilogram. But they say 1 kilogram is 800 rupees, but in Rawalakot City is 750 rupees. So if you convert this in peso, this 800 rupees in peso equivalent to 160 pesos. I don't know how much kilogram there in Philippines. So 1 kilogram this one, and then I keep this one in fridge. Then we will cook again after 2 to 3 days. Because yesterday I cook chicken curry. So there is a little bit more curry and 2 to 3 pieces this neck and some pieces of chicken. I make soup, sinigang. I make sinigang. So this piece of chicken, just I half fry, and then I saute garlic, onions. I did not put tomato here. And then some carrots and radish. And then this leaves for chili leaves. And then I put also some turmeric powder. No, sorry. This tamarind powder para maasim-asim. So this is for our dinner. Lagyan na natin ng toppings na coriander leaves. Galing ako sa baba. Kumuha ako ng coriander leaves, tapos sinugasan ko and then in slice. Masarap kasi pag may toppings na coriander leaves. itong itong kidney beans. Ayan. Nailagay ko na itong tray ng persimmons cake kasi mainit na itong buhangin. So yung apoy niya ay hindi masyado malakas para hindi masunog. So i-cover na natin ito. Ayan, ito na na-slice ko na ang persimmon cake. Ito na ang slices of baked persimmons cake. Ayan. Parang ano siya, parang chocolate o kaya chocolate cake o kaya brownies. Ayan. Ayan. Ito luto na ang aming ulam for lunch. Naka-lunch na kami. And then for dinner at saka pwede pa ito bukas ng tanghali. Ito ay yung tawag dito, yung 1 kilogram na extra na nagluto ako na yung Afghan ghost. 2 to 3 days ago yata. So ito niluto ko. May siya, may turnips. Ito yung turnips, oh. Kasi ito talaga yung best na partner ng beef meat na karne. Itong turnip. Tawag dito ay, ano ba tawag dito? Siljong. Dito naman sa village, tawag dito ay gunglo. Ayan. Masarap kasi itong turnips, matamis-tamis. Ayan. Ayan, ito luto na yung pizza bread. Masarap ito pang breakfast o kaya pang snack. Ayan, parisan ng kape o kaya yung juice, any kind of juice, or bahala na kayo kung ano yung iparis dito. Ayan, so slice natin. Tikman natin kung anong lasa nito. Ayan, ito na 4 slices of pizza bread. Ayan. Ito na yung aking nagawa, 11 pieces flours breads. So you can steam this one or you can bake. So better I will steam this one. Ready to steam na ito. And check natin. Ayan, luto na itong first batch. Ilagay ko dito sa plate. Ito na yung flours breads. 9 na lang yung natira kasi nakain na. Hindi nakatiis si Fatma kaya dalawa yung nakain namin, tinikman. So ito, slice natin kung ano ang lasa nito. Masarap kasi natikman na namin dalawa yung tinikman namin. So slice natin. Ayan. Ayan, oh, muusok pa. Ayan, malambot yung pagkaluto. Ayan. 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 At saka masarap, malambot. And then yung sugar niya, tama lang yung tamis, hindi masyado matamis, katamtaman lang. Ayan.